Hello, my name is Farid Muhlis. In this video, I will give an example of self-introduction for 6 different formal occasions. First, one-to-one meeting. Second, professional gathering meeting. Third, professional gathering training. Fourth, professional gathering panel discussion. Fifth, professional gathering conference. And sixth, social greeting.
First, one-to-one meeting.
Hello, my name is Farid Muhlis. You can call me Farid. I was born in Padang and raised in Lubu Alung. I studied at the Polytechnic State of Padang, majored in information technology, with software engineering technology as my study program.
Second, professional gathering, meeting.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming here today. I hope everyone is healthy now. My name is Farid Muhlis. You can call me Farid. I am a student for the State of Padang, majored in information technology, with software engineering technology as my study program. Maybe that's all for me. And if you want to know more about me, you can talk later after this meeting.
Third, professional gathering, training.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Farid Muhlis. You can call me with my nickname Farid. My activity is a student at Polytechnic State of Padang, majoring in information technology and software engineering technology as my study program. Glad to see you all, and I hope we can be together.
4. Professional gathering, panel discussion.
Good morning, sirs. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Farid Muhlis. I am a student at Polytechnic State of Padang, majoring in information technology, and my study program is software engineering technology. So, here I would like to present my research about software engineering was finally completed a month ago.
Fifth, professional gathering, conference.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. So nice to see you here. I hope you are healthy and in a good condition. Let me introduce myself. My name is Farid Muhlis. You can call me Farid. I am a college student at Polytechnic State of Padang with major in information technology with software engineering technology as my study program. Might be this all for my introduction, and thank you for your attention.
Sixth, social gathering.
Hello everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Farid Muhlis, and people used to call me Farid. I am 22 years old. I was born in Padang and raised in Lubu Alung. Now, I'm college student at Polytechnic State of Padang with major in information technology. I'm in third grade. For my interest, I like reading historical things, and I'm an automotive enthusiast. In the future, I want to make my parents proud. I always work hard and pray for success. That's all for my introduction, and I hope we can be good friends. Those are some examples of self-introduction for 6 different formal occasions. I hope this video is helpful enough, and sorry if there are any mistakes. Thank you for watching.